July 8th, 2021. My name is Eric Haluzik with All Corners Home Inspections. This is an incomplete crawl evaluation for the single-family home here in Northwest Sequoia in Corvallis, Oregon. The reason we're calling this incomplete is we have very limited height access between the ground level and ductwork, ground level and plumbing, ground level and framing materials. The area at the rear portion of the structure, the overall height is less than 14 inches, and at the area at the front of the structure, where you should have less generally because it's the original portion of the structure, we have maybe a total of 20 inches from the ground level to the underside of the floor joists, with ductwork and plumbing bisecting the structure with really no regard for how someone might be able to access this space. This is a significant challenge because you really need enough room underneath a home to allow for skilled workers to manipulate tools and make an exit in a scenario where they might need to in an emergency. This is a challenge that can be remedied by having someone excavate pathways in the crawl space, and we will consider this crawl evaluation very incomplete. Probably 30% of the overall area of the area underneath the home has not been evaluated. There are drones that can be deployed. I actually have one that I can deploy in this crawl space, but I'm even hesitant to deploy that because of the number of obstacles and challenges that might be presented to that device. The challenges we can make note of is that we have waste plumbing, which is pretty badly corroded in a number of areas. The insulation is missing around the distribution plumbing. You've got active corrosion around areas of galvanized plumbing, and in the distance I can see disconnected waste lines. Someone has gone through a tremendous amount of effort to get, probably dangerous effort, to get to some of the areas in the crawl space to replace plumbing. And those are efforts that I would highly recommend not duplicating because of danger to the workers and hazards that you might present to the critical aspects of the home: plumbing, electrical, HVAC, etc. This has been Eric Haluzik with All Corners Home Inspections.